Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Bonanza Buddies, and this is the sweet little birthday card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using the Birthday Bonanza bundle, and we're going to be using Bonanza Buddies. We're going to be using this bird, happy birthday, and this sentiment, the hat, and the little tassel on top of the hat. So we're going to start with our stamping. I have a piece of Whisper White, and I have the little toucan mounted on clear block C. I'm going to come in with my Memento Tuxedo black ink. And get that good and inked up. All right, just like that. Then I'm going to come in with my Coastal Cabana, and I'm going to do our little hat here. And then the tassel on top of the hat, I'm going to use Daffodil Delight. All right, just like that. I'm going to bring in my big shot. All right, and then I have the coordinating dies. I'm just going to put these around. All right, and then I have a piece of Coastal Cabana and the tag die. Run that through. All right, so let's see what we got here. Get our dies out of the way. And I'm going to come back in with the Daffodil Delight ink. And I'm going to put the Happy Birthday, and that's mounted on clear block B. So just like that. And our card base is Daffodil Delight, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4.25. I'm going to come in with the Coastal Cabana. And I forgot to get the sentiment for the inside of the card. So I'm just going to put that down really quick. All right. And that is all the stamping that we're doing. So now we can put this card together. And I have a piece of the Birthday Bonanza Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have another piece of Coastal Cabana, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm going to come in with my snail. All right, so just like that. Then I have my Daffodil Delight ribbon. And let's see, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around this way. A little piece of tape. Make sure it doesn't move on me this time. And let's see, I'm also going to cut another piece. And I'm going to put it through here. Just to make it fun. I'm going to go ahead and adhere our mat to our card base. All right, so just like that. Now I'm going to bring in my silicone mat here. And I'm just going to adhere the hat to our bird here, just like that. And then, let's see, I got this little tassel here for the hat. I'm going to come in with some mini glue dots. I'm sorry, not mini glue dots, the mini dimensionals. All right, so just like that. Now I'm going to pop him up with some regular glue dots. Regular dimensionals. I don't know where my mind is today. And catalogs are going out tomorrow, so if you are not on my mailing list for a catalog, just subscribe to my newsletter and I will get you one in the mail. All right, so just like that. And then I'm also going to pop up our little birthday tag as well. All right, and then just like that, there you have it, a quick and simple birthday card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!